within this video we are going to talk about Indian skincare brands. If you need to know which are those brands and their qualities, you need to keep watching this video. So our first Indian skincare brand is Forest Essential. Forest Essential is a premium skincare brand known for its luxurious Ayurvedic formulations. This brand is authentic in its approach. Forest Essential have their own skincare and haircare range. So let's move towards our second brand, and our second Indian skincare brand is going to be Biotique. If you have watched my previous videos, then you must be knowing that I am obsessed with this brand. Biotique is my personal skincare favorite brand. This brand is affordable and has everything you ask for. A divine skincare range, hair and beauty products, and even fragrances too, all made by marrying the ancient science of Ayurveda with the 21st century. I personally have used Biotique products such as lip balm, toner, moisturizer and many more. So here we go with the third brand, and the third brand is Juicy Chemistry. Juicy Chemistry believes in the concept of simplified skincare, and their brands are known for fulfilling their promises. Let's move towards our next Indian skincare brand, and that's going to be Kama Ayurveda. This brand, Kama Ayurveda, became very famous in 2019. Each and every beauty blogger purchased their face mist. This brand has very good range of Ayurvedic products. So let's move towards our fifth brand, and that is Mamaearth. The tagline of Mamaearth is, "A better tomorrow starts by reusing today." Their products are known for cruelty-free as well as toxin-free. This brand is mostly known by Shilpa Shetty because it's her brand. So that's it for today's video. If you liked my video, then do not forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed my channel, do subscribe my channel. Let's meet you in the next video. Till the time, take care. Bye.